Hey everyone, Christian back here again today with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the future of the stock market, okay? So here in Canada, as well as many countries in the world, we're faced with a situation where a lot of the workforce for these countries are either forced to or uh, like kind of like gently pushed in the direction to staying from home and working from home. And this is good because it's pushing certain sectors of the stock market, to seek innovation and do well and make more profit, which is always good, right? That's what we want. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about one stock that I think is still a very strong buy in this upcoming year and which caters to people working from home, and that is going to be Dropbox. I believe I've talked about Dropbox before on this channel, and this stock has so much potential to grow in the next year or two. And the ticker for Dropbox is DBX, if you guys didn't know, by the way. It's trading, the stock is trading around 22 USD. I believe it closed around today, which is good. If you guys haven't seen this stock before and you guys haven't had the chance, this stock, like the company made a really smart move in the direction they cut 10% of their workforce, which was about, I think, around 300 employees. Not because they don't have enough work. The reason being is they didn't need a certain amount of staff because they're not physical. They're not in their physical location, like working there. Everyone's working from home. They're working from home, especially now too, right? So they cut like cafeteria staff, janitors, and as sad as that might be to see people lose their jobs, if we're looking at this company strictly from a profit standpoint and cash flow standpoint, this was the smartest thing that they could do because they don't require these employees anymore. So they cut the losses essentially, and that was a really smart move. So in the past, I believe that was like 2 days ago, we seen a drop. It was around 3 to 4%, I think, in the stock, and nearly made a full recovery again today. So if you guys didn't have the chance to get in yesterday or the day before, it is still a good time to get in now. I think we'll be hitting around $40 in the next year or so. It's currently trading at 22 USD, like I said, so there's still a lot of room to make some good solid profits on the stock, okay? So next we're going to be moving into electrical vehicles. So other people call it EV. As we know, like a lot of countries are moving into reducing or almost trying to completely eliminate carbon emissions. And so we're looking at like a huge profitability standpoint in this market. So looking at like a lot of the three trades that I would recommend, the three stocks that I would recommend is NIO, N-I-O. I have Li Automotives and Tesla. So these are, I would say, leading the EV innovation and affordability market on the side of the market. And these stocks are all going to be big stocks moving forward in the next couple of years, next decade or so. So if you guys haven't had the chance to look at any of these stocks and read about what's going on with them, please look into it. A lot of these stocks seen a good pop too. With what I talked about in my last video is Biden coming into presidency and passing a lot of bills, or I don't know what they call it in the States, but like rebates for people who own electrical vehicles, making it more appealing. And as we know, the younger generations, including myself, always take an eco standpoint in looking at our future for our kids and future for our parents. We want to be around for a long time, and definitely removing carbon emissions or reducing our carbon emissions as much as we can is definitely a step in the right direction. And touching on removing carbon emissions, lowering carbon emissions, CO2 emissions, I want you guys to take a look into the stock TTCF, Tattooed Chef. It's, I would say, Beyond Meat's biggest competitor. They're offering like vegan, vegetarian option like foods, and they're like on nearly, like, I would say close to, if not better than Beyond Meat foods. So if you guys haven't given that a check out, if you guys want to see like a comparison to where they're trading at, Beyond Meat's trading around 200, and Tattooed Chef is around 25, 26. So there's a lot of room to grow on that market for Tattooed Chef. So if you guys haven't looked into that, you guys should. And I'm going to be leaving my link into the stock that I use to trade, which is Wealthsimple, down in the description below. So if you're not signed up, don't have a TFSA or personal trading account, be sure to give that link below, sign up. You get $10 when you deposit $100 into the account and start trading. So it's always good. Free money's free money, right? So if you guys haven't subbed yet or liked the video, comment. Please do so. The support means so much. And thank you guys. See you guys soon. Peace.